50 hertz. Single phase transformer has 80
This
turns.
call is now being recorded.
Single phase transformer has 80 turns on secondary winding. Calculate what primary and secondary current on full load. Primary and secondary current on full load. And next, maximum value of flux. Maximum value of flux means phi m calculation करायचे. Next, number of primary winding turns, that is N1. Okay, so what is given? Given is the kVA rating. किती है kVA rating? 200 kVA. Voltage rating is what? V1 is equals to 3300, V2 is equals to 240. Frequency is equals to 50 hertz. Next, N1 is equals to 80 tons. To calculate first primary and secondary full load current. So current calculation. So how we can calculate the current? Current is equals to kVA rating upon voltage rating. बरोबर है? So this is your kVA rating. As the power at the primary and secondary is equals, so take kVA is equals to V1 I1, which is also equal to V2 I2. So calculate I1. What is I1? That is kVA upon V1.
Ma'am, 60.60.
60.60.
Yes, 60.60. Same for I2. I2 is equals to kVA upon V2, not V1. It's a kVA upon V2.
$83.33.
Yes, nahi.
Yes, ma'am, 83.33.
Calculate again. It's 833.33.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is calculate maximum flux, that is phi m. How you can calculate the maximum flux? From which equation you can find out?
EMF
The
equation.
given at the top. See this equation. From the EMF equation, you can calculate the phi m. That is phi m is equals to E1 upon 4.44 into F into N1. N1 is given or N2 is given? N2 is given. So you can calculate the phi m with the N2 equation or E2 equation. Like phi m is equals to E2 upon 4.44 into F into N2. That means 240 divided by 4.44 into 50 into 80. Calculate.
$0.01.
What is the next value from after the 1?
35.
Yes, 0.0135. 0.0135. Unit is Weber. See this answer. Here 13.51 milliweber is given. But why it is in milliweber? Because it's converted Weber into the milliweber. Okay, so what is in the Weber? It is 0.0135 Weber. Done? Next is number of primary turns. Number of primary turns, you can calculate number of primary turns by using turns ratio. That is N1 upon N2 is equals to V1 upon V2. Then calculate N1. N1 upon N2 is equals to V1 upon V2. Put the value of all given parameter and calculate N1.
$5.818.
No. What is V1? V1 is equals to 3300. V2 is equals to 240. And what is N2? N2 is equals to 80. Then it will be 1100. Answer is 1100.
Yes, ma'am. 1100.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? The last point from this unit is the auto transformer. Now, what is the auto transformer and how it is operated? Hope so screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Generally, transformer having two winding, that is primary winding and secondary winding. Whereas auto transformer having only single winding, and that can be operated as a step up transformer and the step down transformer depending upon the requirement. So see this explanation firstly. The normally transformer has primary and secondary winding, but the auto transformer is what? Special type of transformer. The primary and part of secondary is common. What is the construction? In the construction, cylindrical coil or a core. On that core, a single winding is mounted. There is a variable terminal which always rotates, and there is a rotary movable contact. There are two fixed terminals that is connected to the supply. Working or symbol type of view, you can see the winding, then variable terminal. Whenever you can vary the variable terminal, you can vary the voltage. For example, fixed capacitor like 30 volt 50 hertz. For the single phase also and three phase. Three phase साठी किती voltage देणार तुम्ही? For the three phase it will be 440 volt. Now for the single phase it will be 230 volt supply at the primary side, and that variable terminal and one fixed terminal at the end, that two terminals is connected or that will be connected to the load, or that will be provided to the load to take the output. Whenever the variable terminal at the maximum position that means upper position, then output will maximum. Whenever the variable terminal at the minimum position, output minimum. So output and input is dependent upon that variable terminal. You can vary that voltage from 0 to 230 or depending upon the requirement. That means input is constant 230, output is 0 to 230. You can vary that value from 0 to 230. So auto transformer can be operated as a step up transformer or step down transformer. Step up means what?
Which increase the voltage.
Step up means the secondary voltage is greater than the primary voltage. Step down transformer. Step down means secondary voltage is less
Secondary
than
voltage is less.
primary voltage. Greater and less value of the voltage at the secondary level, that will be defined by that step up and step down name. So whenever transformer or auto transformer operated as the step down transformer, see this diagram, step down transformer, how it will be operated. At the primary side voltage, single phase voltage is given, maximum number of turns, that is N1, voltage is V1, currents flowing through the winding will be I1. But the variable terminal is at what? Centered. So the number of turns which is comes to the contact I'm audible? Hitesh, I am audible
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
I am audible?
Yes, ma'am. But there is echo, ma'am.
Okay, there was a problem. Okay, come back to the point. Auto transformer.